Hi everyone, today I'm here to review the Nokia 6.1 Plus. Now this is not a new phone, but it has come out for 2 years now. It's running on the Android 1 program, meaning it gets direct Android updates from Google. So it's a really cool phone. It's on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 mobile platform. So it's not the fastest phone, but what's good about it is that it brings back a lot of nostalgic memory of the Nokia, the old Nokia phone. Okay, I'm going to show you guys why. So let me unbox it real quickly. There we go. So the phone itself, well, I actually have a screen protector on already, is in blue color. You can see here I didn't put on the screen protector properly, I just put it on, that's why it has this. But you can see that it's this really dark blue color that looks more like black, and you can see that it's like metal, like a plastic, sorry, not plastic, what am I talking about, mirror. There's a mirror finish, a glass finish behind, so it looks really premium for $120 phone. So I'm going to switch this on. You can see Nokia, it brings back a lot of memories, right? And in the box itself, there's nothing much. It's pretty plain, but there's an instruction manual. Remember that this is not really you see Android one starting up. You can see Nokia, right? This brings back memories. Remember that little tune? That's the Nokia tune. So there we go. I just got this phone. I quickly installed everything on it so I can show you guys. In the box, there's this manual. Malaysia has the MC thing, so it's the government thing, so we know that's original from Malaysia. In the box, there's also the charger, the USB charger, and USB-C actually, because it's a USB-C port, right? So that comes with the cable. It's all very like good quality, you can tell. The earphones and the charger itself. Hang on, there we go. This charger itself looks of high quality. The color is like, see, it says Nokia. Wait, let me remove it from the plastic now. Everything's just dropping here. See that? See, there's really nice plastic. It's a little shiny blue color that matches the phone blue, right? See this? So you can see the phone itself is actually metal. See this? Metal. It's pretty cool, right? And behind is glass. And of course, the phone itself is wake on lift. I guess when you lift the phone, then it wakes up. And I actually put a pin. But you can use the back fingerprint there, right? I haven't actually registered my fingerprint, but you can see here it's starting up. It's installing something. I think. There we go. Really nice screen. There's the notch, which I don't really like, but it's fine. And you see how small it is? It just fits into my palm. So it's a one-hand device. Really cool. And what I really like about it is that it has this camera, picture in picture. There we go, picture in picture video, which means I can actually film myself. Let me see if I can start it, and then I can film using the back camera, and I can see myself with the front camera as well. So there we go. You can see this. This is the front. So looking at that, right? I can't really show you guys, but basically you know that when I film this, I'll be able to get this picture in picture. So I can do like more vlogs that use the front camera and the back facing camera, so I don't have to keep looking at the camera and showing you guys what's behind me all the time. So that's what I really like about the phone. It comes with Android 1, and it just updated to the latest Android build security patch of June 2020. So there we go. One thing I don't like about it is that it doesn't have the notification light. So when you switch it, like when it's off, when it come, you only get a sound notification, and you have to pick it up to see what messages come in. So I didn't really like that about it. But for and $20, you know, there are some compromises, but they didn't compromise on the build quality, which is really good. And the camera itself, I would say, you can install Gcam, but because I want to use picture in picture, I can't install Gcam. So I wouldn't say that it's the best quality, but I'm going to do vlogs so you guys can see how good it is. And it's this Android is the one from Google, and it's updated really fast. So everything is really smooth, as you can see. It's using the gesture controls. I usually don't use gesture controls. I prefer that little navigation menu below, but because this size of the phone is small and easy to control with one hand, so to me it's, you know, this is the first time I'm using gesture controls, which means if you swipe from the left it goes back, swipe from the right it goes back, swipe from below it goes to the home screen, or if you swipe it and leave your finger a bit longer it goes to that you know, with all the programs menu, right? So that is my really quick review of the Nokia 6.1 Plus, and I think it's still relevant in 2020. I'll update you guys and I'll film more vlogs using this. So I will see you guys in the next one. See you guys.